If someone had told me last year that 2025 would change my entire relationship with money, guys, I would have laughed at the person and say, Omo, get out, go and rest. Like, you don't even know what you're talking about, honestly. Now, at the beginning of 2025, guys, you know what happened? I felt stuck. I felt really stuck. I felt stuck in the same paycheck cycle. I felt stuck in the same fears. I felt stuck in the same excuses about why online income wasn't for me. Because at a point in my life, I began to doubt everything that has to do with my hustles and everything. But then, at a point, something changed. Something happened. I woke up one morning around early February 2025. I checked my bank app and I saw a transaction that made my heart to stop. Omo, what I saw really baffled me. I saw rent, I saw bills, I saw deduction, and my balance was nothing to write home about. At that point, I felt really broke. That moment broke me down. It also woke me up at a point, like it really rang a bell, like a wake-up call to me. And at that point, I realized that even if I didn't change how I earn, my life would not change either. So I decided that this year, 2025, before the end of this year runs out, I'm going to learn how to make money online properly, consistently, and intelligently. And trust me, 2025 didn't and never disappointed me. It did not disappoint me at all. So guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you the real reason 2025, like the lessons 2025 has really taught me about making money online. Not the YouTube hype, no, not the social media lies, but what actually works. This might be the most important money video you watch all this year. So let us dive in immediately. Now, lesson number 1 that online income has really taught me is the reward of consistency over talent. Now, the biggest lesson that 2025 taught me is you don't need to be the best. You just need to be consistent. I saw people with fewer skills. I saw people with lower camera quality. I saw people with smaller personalities. I saw people that out-earn people with expensive equipment and perfect videos. You know why? Because online income is like planting seeds. You don't plant once. You plant again and again and again until something grows. This is like a farm. You nurture it. You grow it, you put in your time, you dedicate everything about you into it before it can start maturing. So in 2025, the internet really rewarded people who posted weekly, people who improved slowly, people who didn't disappear after 1 month. Do you understand? Consistency created momentum, and momentum itself created audience, and audience in itself created the income. Talent helped, but consistency won everything. Now, lesson number 2 is not starting costs more than starting. Yes, I don't know if you understand that. Not starting costs more than starting. Now, every time I hesitated to start a new idea, yes, I keep procrastinating. You understand? New digital product, new video, new business. I kept procrastinating on these things. At a point, I realized that I was losing money without even knowing it. So 2025 taught me something very painful, but true. That is to say, procrastination is the most expensive habit that we are dealing with. It cost me missing trends. It cost me missed clients. It cost me missed opportunities, missed visibilities, and missed revenue. You know that crazy part? Once I actually started, it was never as hard as I imagined. That is, I started creating my first digital product. I started creating my first affiliate videos, my first YouTube income stream, my first smart art products, my video editing, my first automation system. Tools, less time than the weeks I wasted overthinking. Guys, it was really, really bad. Now, this is lesson number 3 that digital product taught me. It taught me that digital products are the future. Yes. Now, 2025 was the year digital product exploded. I don't know how many of you that noticed it. People wanted time-saving tools. They wanted template. They wanted ebooks. They wanted planners. They wanted Notion dashboards. They wanted courses. Some of them wanted AI prompt pack. Some of them wanted smart art digital prints. And I learned that people buy solution. They buy shortcuts. They buy convenience. So digital product became one of my most reliable passive income streams, because once you create it once, you can sell it again and again. Do you understand? So 2025 really taught me this, that the internet pays problem solvers, not perfectionists. Oh yes, just in case you are still doubting. Now, lesson number 4 is, it taught me that YouTube is the most powerful cash machine. Now, I've been on YouTube for years, but 2025 was really different. YouTube became one of my best profit earning engine, because old videos kept me going. Short brought new people, AdSense increased, and affiliate clicks multiplied. Sponsorship reached out to some people, and also YouTube pushed educational content harder to people's feeds. So I realized something very huge at that point. I came to realization that YouTube works even when you don't need them. It works while you are sleeping and you are also earning. It works while traveling and you are earning. It works while you are working and you are earning. It also works while you are offline and at the same time you are still earning. So YouTube is not a side hustle. No, it is a digital employee that works 24/7. Do you understand? Now, lesson number 5 is, it taught me that affiliate marketing is quieter but stronger. Now, 2025 showed me how powerful affiliate marketing really is. I posted one product review, guys, at a point. I posted one side hustle tutorial, one tools I used, and a video. And also, commission came in consistently. So, you see, affiliate marketing is beautiful because you don't need to own your own product. You don't need to ship anything. You don't need any customer service. You even earn while you are helping other people. So you see, 2025 taught me that people don't mind buying. They mind being full. So if you recommend things that genuinely help, trust me, you're going to always earn from it. Now, lesson number 6 that it taught me that AI is not a threat. It is a tool. Now, there were fears that AI would kill online income at a point middle of this year, but 2025 proved that opposite. You understand? AI actually made online income faster. It made online income faster because tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway, Cloud, it helped me to create faster. It helped me to edit faster, script faster, design faster, and also build faster, and also sell very faster. So you see, AI didn't replace me or some of us. No, it multiplied me. Now, one person can now do the work of 5, and that is why AI users out-earn everyone else. Do you understand? So that is just it. So you see, 2025 really taught me a lot. But the biggest lesson is, no one is coming to save you, but you are more than capable of saving yourself. You understand? Your financial future is not determined by your job, your past mistakes, or starting points. It is determined by your willingness to learn, to try, to fail, and to also rise up again. So in 2025, it taught me anything. Whatever it taught me is that online income is very real. Opportunities are everywhere, and your breakthrough begins the moment you decide to stop doubting yourself. So you see, 2025 is actually waiting for you, and it can be the year everything changed, but only if you begin. That is when it is going to change for you. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, Thank you very much for stopping by. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment in the comment section that 2026 will be my year. And also subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more weekly income tutorial. Then go ahead to check my description and my other videos, and watch other videos that have to do with passive income streams. You understand? Thank you very much for stopping by. See you guys in my next video.